Before we delve into how Git works, we sign up for a GitHub account. GitHub is a platform to store and share your Git-managed code, discuss tasks and changes with co-authors, and run automated AI checks. While it is required for full SoDa Replicator functionality, it is possible to use Git without online platforms like GitHub. Users who just want to manage a project with version control locally on their computer, not share it with others, and not make use of automation or other features outside the scope of Git itself, only need the already outlined Git installation. To get started on GitHub, we visit github.com and click on Sign Up. We fill in our details and confirm. The username is like a handle on social media platforms like X or Blue Sky. Other users reference us with it, and it is part of the URL to our projects. Short usernames can be convenient. The first letter of the first name followed by the last name, everything lowercase, no spaces or special characters, is a common pick.